Biden's tenure, the DEA approved more growers than just that one Mississippi farm, which could mean more options for research. But the registration and transaction processes to get research-grade cannabis are no joke. It takes time, effort, and cash to get cannabis products for human experiments. Not to mention approval from the FDA, the IRB, and sometimes local narcotics boards.
The way that the federal regulations were written that prevented us from doing all the work that needed to be done. So it's really legalization that's opened up the opportunity for us to study these products that people are using.
I'm just so surprised at how bad the government weed is, so to call it.
Yeah, and I will say it's definitely getting better. But the problem is, if you look at the commercialization of cannabis, right? Like, I don't know if you're going to go to dispensaries while you're here, but you walk in and there's hundreds of products, right? And people are making a lot of money designing all kinds of different cannabis products. There's no way the federal government is going to keep up with that kind of commercialization. And so they're just so far behind this multi-million-dollar industry that I don't see them catching up. And so I feel like the way forward really is to study the products that exist in the legal market that people can, we can go to any dispensary